location. We're in Seahouses now, and there's a reason I brought you here last. I'll show you soon. That'll be towards the end of the video. But I thought it's only at the end. It's a very small place, but it's really popular with tourists. We've got over here like a holiday park, quite a big caravan park, yeah, which is right next to where I'm parked in the campsite. And this car park actually is where I started the Great North Bike Ride in 2015, just before we got married. Park over there, I believe, and started just across the way there. So let's go and have a look around. We've got gift shops and stuff like that. It's really famous for fish and chips, and people can drive up here to have fish and chips. There's a couple here, right in the middle. There's one there, Neptune. There's one over the road there. Don't know if it's still there actually. Oh yeah, it's open there. Gift shops and that type of stuff. Park here for the kids. It's like a miniature golf place. It's not open at the minute, but keeps the kids entertained when it's open in the summer. Crazy golf course. We do food and stuff in there as well. Seaman over there. I think this is a popular one, Neptune. Any staff, if anyone needs a job. Nice ice cream place here as well. So down the back, left of the roundabout, if you're coming from Bamburgh, got the old ship, which is a pub. Take you down this way because there's a nice little harbour here. Tea places. There's a place called the Bamburgh Castle in here. Looks like a place you can stop. And that's nice down this way. Can't open yet, mustn't have any outdoor space. But a lot of people buy their fish and chips and come and sit on these benches here. Nice scream there when it's open. But yeah, this is the little harbour, and this is where the boats leave to go over to the Farne Islands. There's a little office over there. Get your tickets and jump on the boat. It's a perfect day today actually to go across. You might see some seals and some wildlife. Famous for its puffins. It's not cheap though, I think it's... I can't remember, I'm sure last time we looked you were looking at about £30 each. So, but it's worth a little trip out I suppose if you fancy it, you know. I'll just take you along to the offices and you can see how much it is. There's fish and chips as well, look. They're a fisherman. There you go. Over there, Farne Islands. In the distance. It's not too far to go. But here we'll go. So it was a 2.5 to 3 hour trip. That's the one I just left. It's 2 hours, leaves regular. What is it? Website there if you just fancy it. And the other one will not be biased. There you go. Can't see any prices on there, but let's take you over here. There's the lifeboats. I'll take you down by here. See over there, Farne Islands. Right in the distance there. And a bit blurry. Better. But it's another lovely stretch of beach here from Seahouses all the way down to Bamburgh where we've just been. And like I say, perfect day for it. There's the lobster cages. Right, let's go back into the village and behind us. This is why I've finished here. Ice cream parlour here is Coxons, which is my surname. So I thought I'd bring you here. Perfect way to round everything off. It's been a lovely morning, hope you've enjoyed it. If you can subscribe to the channel, leave us a like and comment if you've enjoyed it. If you haven't enjoyed, comment as well, let us know what you want us to improve on, and have a good day. Wherever you are in the world, canny.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.